Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, a platform where you can learn all the smart tricks which makes the school students feel a cut above others, and that's what we want in the Olympiads which the students appear at school level, right? They have to think differently, they should know how to skip steps and they should know how to be smarter in handling the big calculations. This is the intention of Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I hope you have seen the previous three videos of my, this series of videos, which is based on the chapter number 4 of the ebook of short tricks. Now, when I talk about this ebook of short tricks, it is a must acquire for all the school students, college students, and all those aspirants who are, aspiring to get into the placements. So, quant, you can't survive without this ebook. So, this chapter is based on squaring, cubing, the square roots and the cube roots, and we are into squaring of numbers smartly. So what do we have in this video? It is somehow related to squaring numbers from 70 to 130, which I posted in the previous video. In this one I am going to take numbers from 101 to 130, and this is going to be really surprising for you, and you will know the beauty of mathematics, how different thinking can help you solve those calculations very smartly, quickly and accurately. So friends, watch the complete video, and if you want to get this ebook of short tricks containing 350 such methods, then you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. The number and the description is contained here also in the description of this video. So friends, let's understand the concept, the method through which you can actually get to the square of numbers from 101 to 130. Now there is a reason why I am picking only up to 130, because beyond 130 I already told you 2 or 3 methods, the vertically and crosswise, the identity method, that works for numbers beyond 130. But up to 130 you can be more smarter. So let's see the concept used in the trick. Now suppose you have a number like 116 and I want to find the square of this number. Now the first thing is, how much above 100 is 116? So that's pretty easy, right? If you subtract 100 from this, then you will get 16. Now this is the first thing I should know. How much is the excess above 100? So it is 16. The second thing, I need to add like this. Now 116 plus the excess 16 gives me 132, and I should know the square of the excess, 16 square, that is 256. Now once I know these two numbers, the square of 116 is in the next step. How? I will write 132, the first number, separated by a slash, and then write the second number, 256. Now from the second number, I always have to retain 2 digits from the right hand side. So 56 will come in the answer also, and this extra digit will get carried forward here. So 132 plus 2 becomes 134, and here you have the answer. Now pick up the calculators. 116 square is 13456. And when I write all these steps, you will be feeling like, oh so many different steps are there, and it is going to consume more time. But I don't think that is actually the case. You practice 30-40 questions and you don't have to write all these steps. You can directly write these two numbers and get the square directly. I'll show you how. Look at this. 105 square. I know that the excess quantity is 5, right? And when you add like this, 105 plus 5, you can do it directly, but I am writing it here just to show you the steps. So 110 and the number 5, just square that, you get 25. Now here you have only 2 digits, so you don't need to put a slash. Just write this number 110 and then write this number 25. You have the answer 11025. But if this is a 3-digit number, then you need to put a slash and carry forward the 100th place of this number to previous number. Like here also, it is going to work so wonderfully well, because 109 is 9 more than 100. When you add like this, you get 109 plus 9, which is 118. and your answer will now be, because 9 square is 81 and it has 2 digits only, so no need to do anything, just write this number 118 and then suffix 81 to that, you have the answer 11881. So easy, right? But if we have a 3 digit number like here 117, so 117 means the excess is 17 now. So when you add like this, 117 plus 17 gives 134 and then 17 square gives 289. Now you have a 3 digit number here. So just for avoiding any errors, separate them using a slash, retain the last 2 digits and carry forward this 2 here. 134 plus 2 is 136 and you have the answer. The square of 117 is 13689. Let's do it here. We have the excess 19 here. So when you add like this, so now I am skipping these steps. See, 119 plus 19 is 138 and 19 square is 361. So 61 retained, 3 carried forward, 138 plus 3 is 141. Your answer is 14161. See how quickly we can do that. There are hardly any steps involved and you get the square. Let's have 2 more questions. 121. So 21 excess. When you add them, you get 142 and 21 square is 441. Retain the last 2 digits, carry forward this. So 142 plus 4 is 146 and you have the square of 121. Likewise 127, so 27 excess. When you add them, 127 plus 27 is 154 and 27 square is 729. So retain the last 2 digits, 29, carry forward the 7. 154 plus 7 is 161 and here you have the square of 127. See, when we started the video, it was like so many steps, and now what is happening here is you are getting to the answer within 4 to 5 seconds, and that is the beauty of the short tricks. So friends, go for the ebook of short tricks. That is my frank advice to you. Very nominal cost associated with it, but it will prove to be an asset for your preparation. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends on your WhatsApp group and subscribe to our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Along with the subscribe button, this is very important. You have this icon, the bell shaped icon. Please hit this bell icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications on your mobile itself. Do practice this method and let me know in the comments, did it work for you? All the best.